As Brad Pitt would say, "What's in the box, man? What's in the effing box?" Let's find out.
It's blood.
All right, box is open. We got some bubble wrap. And a bag. Oh, I think I know what this is. Hold on.
Put the gun down.
I'll show you with the box. What was in the box?
Because I envy your normal life.
Put the gun down, David.
It seems that envy is my sin.
Oh, what's in the box?
As I suspected, they are the key tops for my Model M keyboard, the escape and the pause break. If you look at my IBM Model M keyboard, you'll notice the key top is missing right here. That's the pause break. And then over here, the escape key top is missing. And something I learned about this keyboard, didn't know until recently, that all these key tops right here, they all come off. They just pull right off, just like that. Key still works, just you don't have a key top. So let's go ahead and put those on. There is my pause break. Pause break. And now the escape. Escape. Pause break. Love the Model M keyboard. Thanks to my friend Murad in the UK that sent these to me. I greatly appreciate it. They were going to be unobtainium, I think, trying to find those keycaps without having to buy a whole Model M keyboard, which is very expensive these days, and I really didn't want to do. So anyways, that's it. That's what was in the box. It was not Brad Pitt's wife. You ever seen the movie Seven? That was the reference to that. All right, anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for future videos. Thanks again for watching. Till next time.